One of the boys' girlfriends came in and went, "Oh, this is like being on TV. This is like grand designs." And we went, "Well, actually, yes, it is." We orientated the house to the sun, so you had maximum solar gain. You have concrete floors that pick up that solar gain. So the house was set up so in the summer you had limited sun coming inside, and in the winter maximum sun. Everything is flat access from inside to outside. I have decks outside that allow me to get right around the house. The whole place is light and bright. You can look out into park-like zones. You can look down to across the city. You sit up on the top of the hill and catch the sun first thing in the morning and late at night. Within the house we have solar panels on the roof. We have a lot of solar gain through the double glaze. Every room has a sliding door so you can come and go. The house is wired totally for any IT you would want to run. The place is fitted out with speakers in all rooms. So it has smart technology built in, which you needed to do, so when you eventually moved in, everything was set up ready to go. He was a category winner for the house in 2007 in the price range that it fell, $600 to $1 million. He received a Golden Award for his build in 2007, so in that same category. He won the Micro Bathroom Excellence Award, which was yet another part of the build, and he won the Future Proof Building Award. So we'd thought in features that we needed that would future-proof this. He ended up receiving the Lifetime Mark Award for the design of the house. In reality, he was ahead of his time. They used this house as their flagship to launch LifeMark design. He has something real to show people. I've done it. Here are the awards that go with it.
A LifeMark house has goals that anybody can live in it. It's a home that's easy for mums and babies, easy for family and children and adolescents and old age.
So the concept of LifeMark is to be able to be adapted to meet anyone's needs. Now this house here has been designed for my needs, and for example, you have light switches set at 1 metre, you have power points set at 500 off the floor. It means you don't have to bend, you can have easy access to anything you want to touch.
I can come in with supermarket shopping and I don't have to trundle up lots of stairs. Benches are at a reasonable height. Yeah, so it's all about access and simplicity. So that's what makes this house a wee bit different to just the average house. Initial reaction is they didn't know that such beautiful homes existed in the Hutt Valley. They just think that we're just so lucky to be living in such a beautiful home that's so beautifully built, and that's exactly how I feel.
Had it open for a garden house design show where this was one of the last houses on the list, and we had hundreds of people coming through, and their feedback was this was the best place they'd seen in Wellington. They'd gone to the British High Commission, they'd gone to little cottages on the terrace. Cars were parked up the road, people were streaming up the hill to get here before the time to close off the visits. Other people who are building houses say, look, we've been told this is a place to come and look at. So they pick up features like the wall behind me in terms of the concrete block, polished concrete, just different. When you're talking to someone who hasn't seen it, they go, oh, I don't like that. They come in here and go, oh, put that on the list. So this has been a good reference place for some of Brian's clients. Come and look, see what can be done and say, great.